Good day to my future employer. My name is Meremay C. Bonifacio. I'm 31 years old. I live in Tarlac, Philippines. I am married. I have 3 daughters ages 14 years old, 12 years old, and 9 years old. My first employer, I work as domestic helper in United Arab Emirates, year of 2020 to 2021. I have served 4 persons ages 58 years old, 30 years old, 28 years old, and 1 year old. My main duties is cleaning the house, washing her clothes, ironing her clothes, and taking care of the babies. My second employer here in Philippines, year of 2022 until now, I'm still working. I serve 4 persons ages 35 years old, 30 years old, 3 years old, and 1 year old. My main duties is cleaning the house, washing her clothes, and taking care of the babies. If you give me a chance to work in your family, I do my best and my duties. I am dedicated and I am hardworking. I will promise my future employer I will finish my contract. Thank you and have a nice day.